Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg, Florida. Next to me today is undoubtedly one of our most popular models, and that's the Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Blue hull side colors, swing tongue trailer, you name it. I'm going to name this boat the Endless Staycation. Let's hop on board and have some fun. Back here we're powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke engine, Mercury Outboard, Sea Ray boats, some of the best duos ever to do it. Kobe Bryant, Shaq, together on the same court. You know the deal. A common question I get is, what are the main differences between a 210 SPX and then the smaller 190? Big one's right here on the sun pad. This kind of sits up so you can look back, give your back some place to rest on. And underneath that, you guys know, when you put the outboard on these boats, you have a tremendous amount of storage back here. Joining me here in the cockpit, you see that this boat is equipped with the ivory interior package, really popular in Florida. Summertime coming, it's gonna get really hot. This light color, cool at a touch. Obviously, bimini top, keep that sun off you. You need it in Florida. The sun is not to be messed around with. Up here at the captain's seat where all the magic happens, if you're new to boating, never operated a boat before, does not get any simpler than this. All your analog gauges right here, your tachometer, speedometer, trim, fuel, all the necessities. Depth finder too, always comes on these boats, little known fact. And over here with the throttle, it's like driving a go-kart, I like to say. Forward, neutral, reverse, you can't mess it up. The biggest thing I'm amazed with on these boats is the amount of storage. You saw the storage back there, plenty of index storage. Over here, even more storage. And even a glove box that you can lock. Joining me up here on the bow, a couple well-appointed cup holders. Only thing missing is a nice brewski. I'm Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard, boat motor trailer package, and let's get you on the water. Bye guys.